Can I ask you a little bit of question?
Mm-hmm.
If you wouldn't have been a daughter of Meenakshi Dutt, you're just Shivangi, a random family, nothing, no, I mean just two parents working, squad teachers, या फिर some anything, how would life be different? सोचा है?
नहीं.
सोच लेते हैं.
Life would have
You
been
have to agree
much
that
different, yeah.
you got a lot of stardom from your mother.
Of course. I mean, and I got the privilege of even neglecting that stardom when I didn't want it. I'm like, nahi, mujhe ye nahi karna, you know.
The liberty to say no.
Yeah, and that I would see like girls around me who don't have the privileges that I have and the liberties that I have, that they would be striving to do what I'm saying no to. You know, but I told my mom this very recently, and I was like that I'm not abusing my privileges, I'm using them, because when you are given something, you use it to your capacity. And I also at the same time am my own individual, you know, so I have to follow things as they feel right to me, you know. So if let's say for example हमारी पहले बहुत छोटे छोटे झगड़े होते थे on me not wanting to attend these brunches and events because मेरे को नहीं मन करता था मेरा जाने का, then like obviously you find a common ground where, you know, she would also like not enforce it कि जाना ज़रूरी है. She would be like asked like okay you should come or you should not come, and I'd go sometimes, I won't go sometimes, you know. I feel like because of this that the stardom as you said, I don't really carry that thing in me कि oh I have to attend this or I have to be, you have to, like मेरे में अब बहुत मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर चीज़ बहुत normal है, you know. Too many things are normalized for me which are not normalized for anyone, especially people who are starting out in a beauty career or, you know, they are wanting to be somewhere on like a, they want to reach somewhere on their social media platform, so they're invited for certain events and being here and being there. I feel like for me everything just felt like so normal that mujhe aise koi, you know, after a point you're just like this is all okay, what's beyond this, you know. And I've always been more reserved, so for me to actually be out there and to put myself in a certain light was harder. Because मैं कैमरा के सामने जो चाहे कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन to physically be somewhere and to present myself a certain way, that felt like oh this is like really hard. And now I'm at a point where I see my mom and I'm just like okay you do you and I'll do me, you know. I don't have to become like you or even strive to become like you, because at the end of the day like you are you and you have created your legacy and that you will take with you. What you leave behind is what you have taught and the way you have brought up your children, and you know we take it forward in our own ways.
Shivangi, what is the one thing that has been completely misunderstood about you?
I can't say for people outside, or I can actually. One thing we just discussed it is that I'm snobbish. That's a misunderstanding people have. Another might be that
are you introvert? You're selectively extrovert.
Yes. Yes, I'm selectively extroverted, and I'm also
I've started knowing you, yaar.
I feel like I'm not the type of person who can just spend their energy anywhere, you know. I could be in a big crowd of people, but I would still prefer to sit and talk like this one-on-one with someone. So I don't mind like being out there, but what I don't enjoy particularly is making constant small talk. That bores, I said I don't get bored, that's something that really bores me. Like मैं बात करते करते मेरा मूड ऐसे slow सा हो जाता है कि the other person should know कि मुझे नहीं मजा आ रहा है तो मुझसे बात मत करो.
It means you want the energy to be there in the talk. एक energy होनी चाहिए बात करने की. You feel that? Yeah.
Yes.
ऐसे ना?
And both ways. Like ऐसे कुछ
I'm getting the push from you, yaar.
Like okay, like shake my hand.
Yeah.
This is a handshake.
Yeah.
Now shake my hand.
अरे नहीं मैं नहीं
ऐसे लोगों से मैं बात नहीं करती.
अच्छा, for men I do a handshake like this.
Yeah, that's great. But like people who like shake hand like this. Or like,
you don't have a gay friend or what?
I do from college, and they don't live here.
अच्छा.
And I do have gay friends, but I don't really spend time with them. So, yeah. But in the sense, like, that's besides the point. It's like the energy still needs to match, you know?
What is like success to you?
Success is a very fulfilling feeling. It's
Yeah.
a feeling for me. It's like when in each aspect of your life, you are very well balanced. You have a strong financial backing, you are enjoying what you're doing, whatever it may be. You get quality time with people you love, and you're keeping yourself healthy. I feel like all of these aspects, see, there will always be more of
Always.
everything. You'll always want to travel more, you'll always want to get more things, you'll always want to do better in your career. But I feel like if you can just sit with yourself and feel good about everything that you're doing, that's a pretty successful thing to be
What
able
is
to say.
what is the number in your bank account you'll call it fuck you money?
uh I don't know about a number. I wouldn't put a number on it. I'd say fuck you money when I no longer have to think before
That can happen after
spending.
100 CR as well.
Yeah, so well and good. Like, I'm not like greedy for money. I'm greedy for like living to the max. And money offers that. It offers you to just be like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go stay in this nice property in this very remote island, and I can just be here, you know? So that's something money offers you, so why not be able to make it? But other than that, there's other aspects, because I've met people who already come from such wealthy families who can splurge thoughtlessly. Still, you know, I find them frowning more than smiling.
They're empty.
They're empty, or they're
I've met
concerned
lot
about
of
very nonsense things.
I've met a lot of people. They are more concerned about what other people are thinking about them, what is not happening. And I said, then I realized that money is not the thing that give you contention.
Yeah.
It's more like finding yourself. Then that's the reason I asked in the starting of this podcast. मैंने कहा था, did you find yourself? So I would have expected, जब तुमने कहा ना success, तो तुमने success में ticks लगाए, financially backing. तो अगर तुम उसमें बोलते ना, I would have found myself.
But as I told you then also, I'm not in the process of finding myself. I'm in the process of just being myself. अब वो finding वाला phase मेरे लिए खत्म हो चुका है. It's like कि I am not somewhere lost to be found, you know. It's like I am just constantly aware every day that this is the situation I'm in right now. Today, this is my planning for the day. This is how I'm feeling today. Moment to moment, I'm just like completely and honestly living, being myself. And I'm no longer in search of who I am or what I want. It's just present moment to present moment.